To remove the MailerLite logo from your email campaigns or forms, you typically need to upgrade to a premium plan, as this feature is restricted for free tier users. Here's how to do it. Upgrade to a premium plan. Log into your MailerLite account and go to the account settings. Under the plan section, choose a premium plan that allows you to remove branding. Once upgraded, the MailerLite logo will be removed from your email campaigns, landing pages, and forms. Customizing forms. Go to the Forms section in MailerLite. When creating a new form, you will see the MailerLite logo at the bottom by default. After upgrading to a premium plan, you will have the option to remove the logo from your forms in the form settings. For email campaigns, when creating a new email, you will notice the MailerLite logo in the footer. On a premium plan, you can customize the footer content to remove the logo and add your own branding or text. Removing branding from landing page. In the Site section, select a landing page template. With the premium plan, you will have an option to remove the MailerLite branding from the page footer.